I'm ready.
You ready?
You
ready?
I just said I am. Yes, indeed I am.
Whoops.
We're cooking again. She's cooking again. I'm not cooking.
I apologize because this is supposed to be like a makeup channel, but it's a cooking channel right now.
Cooking channel because there's so many holidays.
Exactly.
And
what else? And I'm having art block, so. And so is Julia.
so do I.
So food.
So food.
Lego. So we gonna need 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. We're also gonna need Uno egg. And then we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. It's fancy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Okay, and then we gonna need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
Okay.
And then, that's open. And then we're gonna need a teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're gonna need a teaspoon of tartar. And then, yeah.
Neato.
Oh, wait, by the way, we're making candy cane.
Oh yeah.
Candy cane cookie.
We're making candy cane cookies.
So you need 1.5 cups of powdered sugar.
Bam.
What?
Wait.
Nice.
There. That's really attractive, Mallory.
Okay. You get 1 cup of margarine / butter, whatever your preference is. And if I were you, I suggest cutting it because it's gonna be a pain in the butt to like. Just gonna let me cutting it.
That's why.
It's gonna be a pain in the butt to like mix if you don't cut it. So cut it. There's butter.
There's butter.
butter.
There we go.
Nice. So
No shell?
so yeah, nice.
No shell.
Good job. So now, yeah, you put in your egg.
And get it all over your hands.
Have fun. Okay, so yeah, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we get in our 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Just do that. Just yeah.
Just that?
Yep.
Okay. Bam.
Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Mix it.
Mix it. I got.
Oh my god. Anyways, so you need 2.5 cups of flour. This is how professionals make food.
Yeah. Rudy's just like, give me whatever's in it.
Wait, look at this. Look at this.
He doesn't even know.
Ready?
Wait.
I'm gonna pet him, and he won't let me. Wait. Oh my god, you let me pet you! Oh my god, that's so surprising. That never happens. I
Only
feel
when
so
he's on
accomplished.
camera.
I feel so
What are you trying to prove?
What do you want?
Nothing.
From me? Remember when like what the heck was a bad thing?
Yes.
Because it's like, oh my god, HE double hockey stick. Okay. Now we need a teaspoon of baking soda.
And bam.
Boom.
Wait.
So,
Butter knife.
cream. Thank you, Mama.
Yep.
Okay. Cream of tartar. Tartar.
Oh, whatever floats your float.
Floats your boat.
I actually
Both
no.
your float?
I like that. That's good. Now we gonna mix it. Julia, mix it.
We're going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Put this in the fridge for 2 hours, and we didn't do that yesterday because it was late. I needed to go home.
Whoops.
That's why we're wearing different shirts. But I kept it kind of festive at least. Sweater, but I guess.
Cool. Okay.
And Mallory didn't even put on anything.
It's
festive.
red.
It's red, but that doesn't really
It works.
does it?
No.
No.
Okay, so what we did is we split the dough in half, and then we dyed one red and then the other nothing,
Just leave it blank.
because we're swaggy.
Cause we're swaggy.
I apologize.
Oh
I
man.
apologize for my terrible voice. So yeah, And now we're gonna twist them and make them into candy canes. And you will see that. Oh my god! It's like a brick.
Dude, Jesus. No, like, smack it on the counter. Smack it on.
Okay. Next, what we're gonna do is roll out the dough. So they're in like tube form?
Cylindrical.
Cylindrical form.
Snakes.
They're snakes.
Keep going.
Okay, so what you do is I suggest getting some flour so that it doesn't stick, and then you have cookies instead of stuff on your board. That didn't make sense. Anyways, that's sugar.
I mean, we could do that too.
I mean, like, it's sugar cookies. Go big or go home. That's what all the cool kids say. Okay.
All the cool kids say it.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do.
Look at that.
Magical.
Oh, yeah.
Then you're gonna do the same thing to your roller. Wait, what is this called? Rolling pin. What
The
is
rolling pin.
I'm great at live. Wee, do. Doop. Okay. Now.
It looks like a tongue. Like,
Ew!
what's that Pokemon? I keep on forgetting his name.
Oh,
the one with the giant tongue. I keep
yeah.
forgetting. Fake
I forgot.
Shantian.
It's like.
Like a tongue or something.
Yeah.
Like, that's his actual
something.
name. Something like
Yeah, it's like lick something. Licky licky.
that cannot be his name.
That's his name. Lick. I think it
Now
is.
it looks like a small intestine.
Yay!
How great are we?
It's great. So yeah, you're gonna get it into a tube-like thing. Tube it up.
Mm-hmm.
Tube it.
Too bit.
And then, yeah, well, yes, yeah.
Then yeah.
Okay, then you're gonna do the same thing with that one. Once it's less hard. Okay, so what Julia's doing is she's taking one bit of the white and one bit of the red, and she's rolling them out. And then once you roll them out, you intertwine them together. You'll see in a sec.
It's like that.
Yeah, and it
Honestly.
turns to that, or like that, and you can do any design you want of candy cane.
Okay, Mallory. You say make them shorter. I say make me.
Okay, it's just
It is very
to get
long.
more candy canes.
Oh my god.
To make them shorter.
I probably do make them shorter, but that's fine.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh my god, look.
Oh my god. Yay, okay. So that's what you do. And yeah. Okay, so
Stop it.
okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your beloved candy cane cookies and put them in the oven at 375.
Don't drop it. Don't burn yourself. Don't do it.
Stop it! You're making me nervous. Okay, and you're gonna put it in for 7 to 8 minutes. Beep, beep, beep. The cookies are ready. You wanna look?
Oh my god!
They're so huge. I love it.
Oh, you can't even see them.
Okay, one second. Let me take them out.
Those are catastrophic, but I am so happy
love
right
them.
now.
Oh, they smell so good.
That's like one big cookie, and I'm just look at that one.
It's so great. Oh. Okay, so you basically need to make sure that they're brown on the sides. I'm just gonna put it in for like 1 more minute because my oven is weird and it only cooks like one side. So yeah. Once you get your ones out, let them cool off on the pan for like 5 minutes and then put them on a cooling rack so that they can, cool out and be ready to eat. Yep.
Yeah, boy.
So, have fun.
I caught
I got.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Blaze it! Blaze it! Wait.
I don't know how to focus. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy! It'd be 420.
Do 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 do.
And you are pop.
So now you need your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So
Rude.
Pie time.
Feel like outsiders not
Americana.
Oh, party hard, Rudy.
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Are you
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Where are you going?
no.
Where are you going,
Mr.
Mr.
Krabs!
Krabs?
Mr. Krabs!